See, the pole star Polaris is nearly stationary and straight overhead when seen from the North Pole. But what happens when it's viewed from the equator? What happens is, let me get my pen here. If you have, here's the pole star up here. All right, we'll draw it up here. If you're at the pole, put a little guy right here, you see how if you're standing there, the pole star will be directly over the individual's head. He would look straight up to see the pole star. And in fact, navigators use latitude to determine, they use the pole star to determine latitude rather. Here at the North Pole, you're at 90-degree latitude, and straight over your head, that would be 90 degrees in elevation, you'd see the pole star directly over your head. However, if you were at the equator here, you'd be kind of sideways. Polaris would no longer be directly over your head. The overhead would be directly this way, so it would actually be off to the side. And in fact, if you were to shrink this down, Polaris would be viewed right at the horizon from the equator. It would be 0 degrees above the horizon. And so you would also see that you're at 0 degrees latitude whenever you're at the equator. The pole star never moves. It always remains relatively stationary. It does wobble just a little bit, but it stays pretty much locked in its position in the sky because the Earth's axis is always pointing at it as it spins around. The pole star stays locked in position.